G'day, here's 3 pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, rules in millimetres. It's been wetted. White there is the reflection from the lights. Okay, I've just zoomed in there so you can get a better look. First piece, blue and greens. It's just the face there. This material here, grind off and maybe get a bigger stone. Down through here. It's hard material, so you get a nice backing, polish on the backing. Second piece, just a little interesting bit, whether you'll be able to cut something out of that, it's a bit hard to say, perhaps on that end. Little stone, just maybe keep it as a specimen. Third piece, some of this white rubs off, white potch, hard to know. Nice red fire in that. You're seeing it there, I think. I am from the feedback. So it's saying if that white polishes off, might end up with a nice red stone. It's only thin though, the layer on the edge here anyway. Might thicken up as it gets in, which it looks like here. It's a fair bit thicker. So this is a hollow. Again, hard material, so it'll polish up nice. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.